Hey loves, so welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be doing this makeup tutorial as a tribute to Selena Quintanilla. Now I'm pretty sure you guys are all very familiar with Selena, and if you're not, you've probably been living under a rock. Yeah, it's so nice to see that after so many years, she's maintained very famous and very iconic. And so yeah, she is pretty much now a legend, a diva. I mean, she is iconic, not only for the style of music, her dancing, but the way she dressed, the way she did her makeup was very different from everything else. And of course, she was young and beautiful and had an amazing body and an amazing voice at that as well. So yeah, I wanted to do this makeup look because I received this shirt from an order I placed online yesterday, and I was like, oh my, I need to do a look with that. Here is what I decided to do. I used all the products from the MAC and Selena collection, and yeah, this is pretty much what I came up with. Now, good thing I have dark brown hair right now, because if I didn't, then I wouldn't be able to pull this off. But yeah, I just pretty much straightened my hair and parted my hair, and here we go with our little Selena inspired look. So yeah, I am a huge fan of her to this day, and I've been a fan of her since I was like in 5th, 4th grade, and I love her still. Like, I love her music. I love, everything about her, her style, her voice. She will just always be remembered, and this is a day where I feel like everyone needs to celebrate her life. Hope that you guys enjoy this fun tutorial that I decided to do, and if you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I'm going to now stop talking and we will get right into it. Alright, so now I'm going to take this eyeshadow by Selena, the MAC and Selena collection in No Me Queda Más. And I'm just going to first stamp it onto the outer corner and then just bring it inwards. So nothing too crazy because she didn't really wear much eyeshadow. And from what I understand, all the colors that they brought out were actually duplicated from the makeup that she had in her makeup train case. So makes it even cooler to own stuff like this, Alright, so now I'm just going to take some of this very pale pink, very pale pastel pink, and I'm just going to bring out some of the eyes. So I'm just going to pat that on this part of the eye just to make it a little brighter. Now we're going to go on the brow bone, all along this area. Yeah, I think that just really brings it together. And I'm going to be using this for the first time. This is the Essence Super Fine eyeliner pen. Alright, so to get those chiseled cheeks that she pretty much always had, I'm using the contour shade that, from what I heard, was like replicated from what she used, and also the blush shade, which the blush shade is beautiful. I'm just applying a little bit more. So I already had applied a little bit. And just taking it up. And now I'm going to be applying the blush, which is really pretty on the cheeks. Now the blush in the compact that is from the Selena collection really reminds me of Blush All Day from MAC. I think they're pretty much the same thing. So if you weren't able to get your hands on the Selena collection, that color in Blush All Day, which is a pro longwear blush, is a really nice dupe for that. And also I feel like Prism would be a good one as well. Now I've seen a lot of pictures in interviews where she would wear sometimes like a really pretty bright cherry red, or she would wear her very famous, which I feel like was her everyday shade, which was like a burgundy type of color. So I'm going to line my lips with this lip liner by MAC. So I'm going to be applying the lipstick that is more of a burgundy shade, and this is called Dreaming of You, which is a very famous, beautiful song by her. Alright, so now instead of using my Selena lipstick, I'm going to use the Lip Stunna lip paint just because I want more of a cherry red today. And she would wear like you know, more brighter reds and then like burgundy reds, so. So yeah, I'm even wearing a Como la Flor shirt that I got off of Forever 21 online. So it should be available. I saw a couple different styles in it. So alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. And yeah, if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!